Sylvester Stallone, born on July 6, 1946, in New York City, is an American actor, director, and screenwriter. Stallone was born into a family of Italian and French immigrants. His father was a hairdresser and his mother was an astrologer and women's wrestling promoter. He became famous for his iconic roles in the Rocky and Rambo film series. But Stallone faced numerous challenges on his journey to Hollywood stardom, including financial struggles. In the early 1970s, he had to make the tough decision to sell his beloved dog, Butkus, for $40, because he couldn't afford to care for him. However, Stallone never gave up on his dreams. In 1976, he wrote the screenplay for Rocky, a story about an unknown boxer who gets the chance to compete for the World Heavyweight Championship. Despite facing rejection from studios that wanted other actors to play the lead role, Stallone persevered and eventually secured the role himself. Rocky became a massive success, winning 3 Academy Awards, including Best Picture. After achieving fame and fortune, Stallone was determined to reunite with his faithful companion, Butkus. He tracked down the person who had bought the dog and paid $15,000 to buy him back. This episode became a symbol of Stallone's resilience and determination to overcome obstacles in his career and personal life. Stallone has been married 3 times and has 5 children. He continued to achieve success in the film industry, becoming one of the most recognizable and enduring action stars of his generation.